The Qlife Racer Electric Bike is a robust and versatile mountain e-bike designed for adults seeking an exhilarating ride on various terrains. With a 21-speed transmission system and a powerful peak performance motor, this bike promises not just convenience but also the thrill of adventure. Having taken the Qlife Racer for a spin across different environments, I'm excited to share my comprehensive review. Design and build quality. First impressions of the Qlife Racer are overwhelmingly positive. The design is sleek yet rugged, featuring a modern aesthetic that appeals to both casual and serious cyclists. The frame is constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, which strikes an excellent balance between weight and durability. It feels solid without being overly heavy, allowing for a manageable ride whether you're on city streets or rugged mountain trails. The bike comes in various color options, catering to different style preferences. The assembly process is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions that guide you through putting the bike together. Most users should be able to assemble it within an hour or so. The bike is equipped with 26-inch fat tires that provide excellent grip and stability, making it well-suited for diverse terrains. Performance. The performance of the Qlife Racer is where it truly shines. The inclusion of a 21-speed gear system allows riders to tackle steep inclines and varying terrain with ease. Shifting gears is smooth, enabling riders to find the perfect cadence whether climbing hills or cruising downhill. The combination of mechanical disc brakes ensures effective stopping power in all weather conditions. At the heart of the Qlife Racer is its powerful electric motor, which provides a peak performance of 750 W. This is particularly advantageous for riders who need a boost when navigating steep hills or challenging paths. The electric assist feature can be adjusted based on rider preference, allowing for a customized experience. Whether you want to rely solely on pedaling or use the electric assist for a more leisurely ride, the Qlife Racer has you covered. Battery life. The Qlife Racer comes equipped with a 48V lithium-ion battery, boasting an impressive range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the level of assistance used and the type of terrain. This makes it ideal for long rides or commuting without the constant worry of recharging. The battery is removable, which is a convenient feature for users who prefer to charge it indoors or wish to have a spare battery for extended journeys. Charging the battery is straightforward as well, taking about 4 to 6 hours to reach a full charge. An integrated battery indicator on the bike's display helps you monitor battery life, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is a key factor in any bike, and the Qlife Racer does not disappoint. The adjustable seat allows for a customized fit, catering to different rider heights. The seat itself is well cushioned, ensuring a comfortable ride even on longer trips. The bike's handlebars are ergonomically designed to reduce strain on the wrists, making it easier to maintain a good riding posture. The suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, making rough terrains feel less jarring. This is particularly important if you plan to tackle off-road trails, as it helps maintain control and comfort without sacrificing speed. Additional features. The Qlife Racer is packed with several additional features that enhance the overall riding experience. The bike comes with a bright LED headlight and a rear reflector, ensuring visibility during night rides. The integrated LCD display provides crucial information such as speed, distance, battery level, and assistance mode, allowing riders to stay informed without distraction. Moreover, the bike includes a rear rack, which is perfect for carrying essentials, whether for commuting or leisurely rides. This added practicality makes the Qlife Racer not just a fun ride but also a functional mode of transportation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is a stellar choice for those seeking a blend of performance, comfort, and style in an e-bike. Its robust build quality, impressive performance with a 21-speed transmission, and a powerful electric motor make it suitable for both casual